You can customize your beam so it notifies you once a specific limit has been exceeded. Whether it's the perimeter of a safe area, your loved one's level of activity.
His biggest challenge is getting paid and avoiding those, awkward conversations. Peter thinks.
Step 2. Found what you like? Now simply request a viewing through the website. Then choose the date and time. Every owner's account is checked by us and approved. Aren't you looking for something where you can buy and sell more efficiently with no extra cost? Then try Smart ARZ, a complete solution for your worries in UAE. Post unlimited ads for free of charge in different categories like real estate, vehicles, furniture, households, jobs, etc.
Getting set up is easy. We purchase the solar panel system for you and work with the most trusted local installers to get the panels on your roof. Then we take care of the maintenance, repairs, monitoring, and insurance. Oh, and when you call our customer service,